Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of premium 2-in-1 laptops with a showdown between three powerhouses: the HP OmniBook Ultra Flip 14, the Dell XPS 13 2-in-1, and the Lenovo Yoga 9i 14 Gen 9. These laptops are packed with features, performance, and style, but which one reigns supreme in 2024? We'll be comparing their design, display, performance, battery life, and more. So if you're in the market for a new 2-in-1 laptop and want to make an informed decision, stick around until the end where I'll reveal the overall winner. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest tech reviews, and check out the description box for purchase links to these amazing devices. Let's get started! The HP OmniBook Ultra Flip 14 is a premium 2-in-1 laptop that seamlessly blends style, performance, and versatility. Its sleek design and sturdy build exude a sense of elegance, while the lightweight chassis ensures effortless portability. The 14-inch OLED display is a visual masterpiece, delivering stunning colors, deep blacks, and crisp details that bring content to life. Whether you're watching movies, editing photos, or simply browsing the web, the display offers an immersive viewing experience. Under the hood, it boasts impressive performance capabilities. Powered by the latest Intel Core processor, it effortlessly handles demanding tasks such as multitasking, content creation, and productivity applications. The generous RAM and fast SSD storage further enhance its responsiveness and overall system performance. While it may not be a gaming powerhouse, it can handle casual gaming and light video editing with ease. One of the standout features of the OmniBook Ultra Flip 14 is its exceptional battery life. The efficient processor and large battery capacity allow for extended usage on a single charge, making it ideal for on-the-go professionals and students. You can confidently take it with you throughout the day without worrying about running out of power. The keyboard and trackpad are comfortable to use, providing a satisfying typing experience. The keys offer a good amount of travel and tactile feedback, while the trackpad is responsive and precise. The webcam and microphone are decent for video conferencing, though they could be better for those who frequently rely on video calls. In terms of connectivity, it offers a good selection of ports, including Thunderbolt 4 for fast data transfer and external display support. However, the placement of the ports could be more convenient. While the OmniBook Ultra Flip 14 is an excellent laptop overall, there are a few minor drawbacks to consider. The limited port selection may require the use of adapters or dongles, and the webcam could benefit from improved image quality. Additionally, some users may find the starting price to be on the higher side. Overall, it's a well-rounded 2-in-1 laptop that offers a compelling blend of performance, portability, and style. It's a solid choice for those who prioritize battery life, a premium user experience, and a versatile device that can adapt to various work and entertainment needs. The Dell XPS 13 2-in-1 is a sleek and versatile device that seamlessly blends the best of both worlds: the portability of a tablet and the productivity of a laptop. Its elegant design, coupled with a lightweight and sturdy build, makes it a joy to carry around. The vibrant 3:2 aspect ratio display is a visual delight, offering stunning colors, sharp details, and ample screen real estate for multitasking and content consumption. Under the hood, it packs a powerful punch. The latest Intel Core processor, combined with ample RAM and fast SSD storage, ensures smooth and responsive performance. Whether you're editing documents, browsing the web, or streaming videos, the XPS 13 handles it all with ease. While it may not be a gaming powerhouse, it can handle casual gaming and light video editing with aplomb. One of the standout features of the XPS 13 2-in-1 is its comfortable keyboard. The keys offer a satisfying keystroke and a good amount of travel, making typing a pleasure. The trackpad, while not as spacious as a traditional laptop trackpad, is responsive and accurate. The 360-degree hinge allows you to easily switch between laptop, tablet, tent, and media modes, adapting to your specific needs and preferences. However, the battery life leaves room for improvement. While it can last through a typical workday, it may struggle to keep up with heavy usage or extended periods away from a power outlet. Additionally, the lack of a headphone jack can be inconvenient for those who prefer wired audio. Overall, it's a compelling device that offers a lot to like. Its stylish design, impressive performance, and versatile form factor make it a great choice for students, professionals, and creative individuals. However, its battery life limitations and lack of a headphone jack may be deal breakers for some users. The Lenovo Yoga 9i14 Gen 9 is a convertible laptop. This refreshed model boasts a striking OLED touchscreen that delivers stunning visuals with rich colors, sharp details, and ample screen space for multitasking. Under the hood, it packs a powerful punch with the latest Intel Core Ultra processor, ensuring smooth and responsive performance for everyday tasks like browsing the web, editing documents, or streaming videos. While not ideal for heavy gaming, it can handle casual gaming and light video editing without a hitch. One of the standout features of the Yoga 9i14 Gen 9 is its comfortable keyboard. The keys offer a satisfying keystroke and good travel distance, making typing a pleasure. The included Lenovo Slim Pen stylus keeps up with fast swipes and scribbles, and while it lacks a designated storage slot, it magnetically attaches to the edges of the laptop for easy access. The 5-megapixel webcam captures crisp images and videos, featuring privacy features like a sliding shutter and presence detection. The convertible design allows you to seamlessly switch between laptop, tablet, tent, and media modes, adapting to your needs and preferences. The innovative hinge even doubles as a soundbar, housing quad speakers that deliver exceptional sound quality with plenty of volume and clear audio. The aluminum chassis feels sturdy and stylish, and the slim bezel surrounding the display contribute to a modern look. This laptop offers a good selection of ports, including 2 USB-C Thunderbolt 4 ports, 1 USB-A port, and an audio jack. However, it lacks an HDMI port or an SD and microSD card slot, so you might need adapters depending on your needs. It also doesn't include mobile broadband options, so keep that in mind if you require constant internet connectivity on the go. The battery life is another highlight of the Yoga 9i14 Gen 9. It can last through a typical workday and even beyond, making it a reliable companion for extended use away from an outlet. The vibrant OLED display is a treat for the eyes, offering rich colors, deep blacks, and wide viewing angles. The included Dolby Atmos software allows you to fine-tune the audio experience or play around with the equalizer settings. In 2024, the HP OmniBook Ultra Flip 14, Dell XPS 13 2-in-1, and Lenovo Yoga 9i14 Gen 9 each excel in their own ways. The HP OmniBook stands out with its exceptional battery life and premium design, making it ideal for professionals on the go. The Dell XPS impresses with its sleek form factor and 3x2 display, perfect for portability and casual productivity, though its battery life could be better. Meanwhile, the Lenovo Yoga 9i14 Gen 9 combines an outstanding OLED display, innovative soundbar hinge, and all-around versatility. The Lenovo Yoga 9i14 Gen 9 is the overall winner, offering the best balance of performance, display quality, and features, making it the top pick for most users.